What is up, my stylish people? This is Shang. Welcome back to this channel. This is about a shoe unboxing video, but already by the time it got delivered to me, dabba toot gaya. So let's not consider this as an unboxing, but practically it's an unboxing video. And these are the New Balance 550. Yes, these are the New Balance 550 option. Online you can get discount on these particular options. Agar possible I will keep the link in the description. But in stores actually they retail at their full price point. Here if you guys can see here on the dabba, these are priced at 18,000 rupees, and I got this in a size of 9.5. Yes, 9 size is also available. I tried with 9 first and I will tell the drawback later. And when it comes to the colorway, these are the white sneakers basically. These are the white sneakers, the 550 here, if you guys can see here. These are the 550s, super popular model from New Balance. And I want to just give it a try because I do have many white sneakers, but I don't have one from New Balance. Is it worth all this hype? I wanted to test that out, and that's why I got this particular option. And let's talk about what exactly are the factors I would consider in a shoe. Basically a small review kind of a video, this particular option, and what you need to do and what you need to know before considering this particular option. First of all, the three factors which I would see when I'm picking a shoes, one would be design, and then comfort, and the three would be maintenance. Yes, these are the three factors I would see. And the fourth would be the quality of materials. But when I'm buying a shoe for 18,000 rupees, I would expect that to be of really good quality and be made of high quality materials, and it would not disappoint in that particular factor. But however, when it comes to design, let's talk about it. In terms of the design, I feel that I have mixed views when it comes to design. It's very clean, don't get me wrong. It's very clean in terms of how subtle the branding, even the 550 has been mentioned, because that's the reason I picked the white color. They do have that in different colorways as well. The design is very clean, be it in terms of the laces, the tongue portion, everything. But one thing it feels to me when I look it from the top angle, means when I'm wearing it and when I'm looking from the top angle, one thing that feels weird to me is this uneven cutout shape. Yes, I do understand the design element and it's one of the iconic design they have, but this cutout element, it looks very weird to me. I'm not used to it. I mostly use the Puma CA Heritage Pro, or even for the Nike Air Force and everything. They don't have these kind of irregular design cuts here, specifically at the toe area. So that puts me off for this particular option a bit for the New Balance. I'm not sure why, but other than that, everything, the perforations, the attention to details, the stitching's quality, everything is top notch when it comes to the sole as well. The sole, the thicker soles, the stitchings, and also the undersole, everything is fantastic with this option. And so the design I would give at least 6 out of 10. I would say the comfort is also 6 or maybe 7 out of 10. It's comfortable, but you will not get wowed with the price you are paying and the comfort you are getting. In case if you are getting this on discount, yes. If you are used to Puma CA Heritage Pro or maybe Nike Air Force, those kind of comfort, but only if there is one area which it edges out when it comes to the comfort, is this side cushioning on the back side area. It's extremely comfortable, extremely spongy, cushiony, and also at the tongue area as well. This is the portion which you will feel more comfortable. The insole comfort is just pretty optimal, not anything groundbreaking. You should expect medium comfort when it comes to this particular option. Now let's talk about the maintenance. It's made of leather, a really good quality leather, and I wore it maybe a couple of times. It haven't creased till now. It has some slight creases, but it haven't creased. It does have these synthetic materials across, which I feel that these are not very tough to clean, unlike a suede options or anything like that. So it is a pretty much easy sneaker to actually maintain and clean on a timely basis. And also when it comes to the maintenance, I would give a easy 9 out of 10 with this particular option. Now let's talk about the other thing when it comes to the sneakers, which would be the sizing along with the comfort. When it comes to sizing, one thing I immediately noticed when I tried New Balances, when I went through to size, my foot size is 9, UK 9. Those are good when it comes to the fit at the back side and at the middle portion, but at the toe cap, they are very tight. Maybe it has to come with this design and also they cuts here inside. If you can see here, they cuts very deep inside on one side of the shoe, so that limits your flexibility from the middle portion of your foot till the toe area. In case if you go true to size, most often than not they tend to fit on the tighter side. So I sized up. These are 9.5, and the sizing at the toe cap area and also till the middle portion, it is good. But until and unless if I tie the shoelaces very tightly, my backside foot portion is just gliding in and out a bit, not by much, but a bit. So that's the minor caveat. So it might be a personal disqualifier only for me. It may not be for you. Do I rate it highly or not? That's the verdict, right? I would say that it's overpriced. It's really overpriced when it comes to the 18,000 rupees price point. But however, online sites may, you can easily find this at like 9,000, 8,000, these kind of price points, where generally you get Puma CA Heritage Pro, Nike Air Force, or maybe from Asics, or maybe Reebok Classics, or Adidas Original Stan Smiths. Adidas Stan Smiths you can get for actually 4,000 rupees online. So Adidas Stan Smith is a better value for proposition when it comes to this particular option, but the leather that has been used, it's way better than the Adidas Stan Smith. But however, for the 18,000 rupees price point, this is not a great option. For 8,000 rupees price point, definitely you can give it a try. You will not be wowed in terms of anything. It is good in everything, or manageable in everything, if I have to put the words very correctly. In terms of the comfort, it's optimal, not super. In terms of the design, it's good. From the top portion, if you see, it's the front toe cap portion, it's not great, and also this glide in here at the middle, it's not great again. But overall, if you see from far away on the sides, it's a good design, so chalta hai. And also in terms of the ease of maintenance, durability, it's good obviously. In terms of the materials, fantastic. What you get for what you pay at sale price point, full price point mein nahi hai. And that minor disqualifier I have may not be applicable for you. So overall, you can give it a try if you get this at discounted price points. I do have many white sneakers, but if I have to keep only one, pakka this may not be the option which I would keep. I would actually go with Adidas Stan Smith, or maybe with the Puma CA Heritage Pro, or maybe even the Puma double coats, or in the worst case scenario, maybe a Nike Air Force One. But if I'm getting this at discount compared to Nike Air Force One, I will keep this option. So that's it for this video. It's a short unboxing kind of a video, and I would unbox a Sparx white sneaker, which is super value for money at 1,000 rupees price point. Stay tuned for that video. That is also going to be a short unboxing video. आपको वीडियो पसंद आ गया नहीं आ गया, and what do you think about this New Balance 550s? Yes, they do come in different colorways, which looks even more attractive in terms of the color blocking, but I wanted to give it a try when it comes to the clean white sneaker. Do let me know in the comment section, Amma, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome content like this. That's it from me. See you next time.